Kids get bored very quickly at home and you can't give them screens all the time. So for my son, we decided to get this Peppa Pig pop-up tent. This is the Peppa Pig tent. It comes packed inside this round circular carry bag. Very compact, easy to store. On Amazon, it's priced at around Rs 1500, which honestly feels a bit overpriced. So let's open it up. As soon as I open the bag, I can already see two main pieces inside. And look at this, one side actually starts unfolding by itself. That's when you know this is going to be a very quick unboxing. The side portions come as one single piece. No separate rods, no frame to build. Everything is already built in. It uses a flexible steel frame, so it just pops into shape naturally. I barely have to do anything here. One thing I really like, the base is stitched in, so kids are not sitting directly on the floor. There is proper fabric underneath. The stitching looks great and the material feels sturdy enough for daily play. Overall, it already feels like good quality. Now, this is the roof portion. Nice and colorful, very Peppa Pig themed. I'm placing it on top and using these small plastic knob style connectors to loop and lock it in place. And just like that, the tent is fully ready. It comes with a small basketball hoop on the side. There is no ball included in the package, but you can easily use any small plastic ball to play. The design has a lot of open net sections, so it's airy and you can always see what the kids are doing inside. Inside, it feels cozy but not closed off. Good airflow, enough light. There are two entrances, one big opening and one smaller side opening, so kids can move in and out easily while playing. If you're planning to gift a tent house or want something fun for indoor play, this is a great option. It sets up in seconds and when you're done, you can fold it back into a circle and store it inside the same bag. If you want, I can also make a video showing how to fold it back properly. For around 1500, this might be one of the best kids tent houses you can buy. Thanks for watching.